Hello world, my name is Angel Piña.
And my name is Nureddin Balut.
We are both from Venezuela and we are excited to present our final project for CS50, a web application called IMS, which stands for Inventory Management Software. IMS is a web application written in Python with the Flask framework. It features authentication and management systems. The functionality of the authentication system includes registering a new user, logging in and out of the system, setting up two-factor authentication, changing your username and password, recovering your account if you forget your password. The frontend was written with a minimal CSS framework called Pico CSS, which helped us to create a consistent visual language across the application. This allowed us to focus primarily on developing the backend of the software.
In addition, the software includes a set of functionalities that allow users to configure and initialize a management system based on cost center. Users can create items and products, the application enables management of raw materials, components, and finished products. Store supplier information. Register new purchases. As well as evaluation of an elementary financial state of business performance. Register sales.
We are really proud of the work that we have done on IMS, and we hope that you find it useful. And this was CS50.